Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. How are you all doing? In my today's video, I'm going to show you how to make coconut cream for using in face and hair packs and on cakes and pastries as cream decoration and also in curries and soups using coconut milk derived from fresh coconut. If you want to know how I made this, please keep on watching. So to make the coconut cream, I'm going to use one whole coconut. While choosing coconut, always make sure that you're choosing the right one. That is, the coconut should be dark brown in color. The outer shell of the coconut should be in dark brown in color, and the inner coconut, the white part, that is, should be hard and thick, so that you get the maximum cream. I'm going to keep the outer skin, that is the brown color skin, intact. I'm not going to peel it off. If you wish to peel off, you can do it, but I'm going to keep it as it is. So I'm going to cut this into small pieces, into thin slices. I'm going to wash it and then I'm going to use it to grind it. If you want, you can also scrape this or grate the coconut and use it to make the cream. First, so I have actually used 2 whole coconuts to make the cream today. So I'm going to take the mixer jar, clean mixer jar, and I'm going to grind it first into a thick paste. I'm going to add little by little and grind it so that I can make the paste into even consistency. Always make sure that you use just enough water so that you can grind it into a smooth paste. Adding excess water will not give you the desired results. So here I've just used half a cup of water to grind this much of coconut. So the next step would be to separate the coconut milk from the paste. For that, I'll be using one strainer and a clean bowl. You can also use a clean cloth or a muslin cloth. You can put the paste into the cloth, grab the cloth and squeeze out the coconut milk. Here I'm taking 2 to 3 tablespoons of the paste, and I'm going to give little pressure so that I can remove the coconut milk from the paste. I have got at least 1 cup of coconut milk here. So for the purpose of the video, I'm going to use just 1 cup of the coconut milk which I just derived, and I'm going to take a clean and a transparent glass and pour the contents into the glass. I'm going to keep it in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours. This is a thick homogeneous liquid of the coconut milk which I'll be using. After 2 to 3 hours, you can see that the coconut milk has chilled to perfection. The top layer of the coconut milk has thickened. That means the milk is ready to be made into cream. If I just bend the glass, you can see the top layer is thickened and the bottom layer or the water is settled down. So that is why I used a transparent glass to show it to you. You can use any bowl to make this cream. Make sure that you scoop out only the top layer of the cream, so you don't want the water. If you use the water, it will be diluted again. You'll have to keep it in the fridge and repeat the process. So to separate the cream from the water, you can either scoop it from the top or just pour it into a clean bowl like this and stop it at the right moment when you see the water. So after doing this, your cream will be ready. The water will be settled down and you have separated the cream. So you have just made a wonderful and a thick coconut cream which you can use it for various purposes. This cream also can be whipped and made fluffier so that you can use this as a topping for cakes and pastries. And also you can use this cream as a face mask and a hair mask. So if you want to know how to use the cream, please let me know. Subscribe, like, share and comment.